gentlemen, start your engines. Welcome to U.S. Classic Muscle Cars.
Alright, so hi, I'm Sarah and I'm here with Jeff. We're at the Gears and Ears car show in Yorkville, Illinois. Do you want to just tell us a little bit about your car, Jeff?
Yeah, it's a 87 Buick Grand National. It's got 70,000 original miles on it. I got it when I was 15 years old, so I've had it for 16 years now. And I use Zaino car polish on it. It's all original interior.
That's awesome. I can see you have car seats in the back. So do you drive around your family in the car?
Yep. Oh yeah. Both kids, 2 kids. So definitely need a back seat for the kids.
That's awesome. So you said that you got this car when you were 15. Can you tell us a little bit about that story? Was this a gift, a sweet 16?
No, my uncle was the original owner,
Okay.
and I bought it off of him. So bought off him and just been working on it ever since.
That's awesome. Do you do all your own work, or do you go somewhere to have the car tuned up?
Do all my own work. Do everything in the garage. So
that's awesome. Is this your only old car that you own?
No, I also have a 72 Nova with that's pro streeted with a big block and supercharger.
That's awesome. Do you mind if we take a look at the engine?
Yeah, we can pop the hood.
All right.
You're doing well. You're doing well. I only tell the truth.
Thank you. Very clean. That's
Thanks.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Okay. So tell us a little bit about what we have going on here.
It's mainly stock. It's got a couple bolt-ons, a turbo, cold air intake, a water meth kit on it. It runs about 18 pounds of boost.
Okay. How much horsepower does it have?
It should be close to 400. I've taken it to the drag strip. It did 12 twos in the quarter miles. So.
Wow. Got a pretty fast car here. Can you tell us a little bit about what we have going on here? That's a little unique, isn't it?
That's an intercooler for the turbo. Keep the air cool coming into it.
Hey, you know what I just found out? There's a
That's aftermarket.
Yeah.
Cool. Do you have any future plans for the car? Do you plan on keeping it, selling it, passing it on to your kids?
Yeah, probably pass it along to the kids, just driving it and enjoying it some.
That's awesome. Good to keep it in the family.
And then the
Tell us a little bit about your tires here.
original.
Yep, yeah, they're the original rims, just a new set of BF Goodrich radial TAs on it.
Nice. Have you won any awards for the car?
A couple trophies over the years.
What kind?
I got first place at 1 for paint and shine for the wax and stuff.
That's awesome. All right, so tell us a little bit about the original condition, because the wax on this is incredible.
It was a little faded, but after buff and polish, a little wet sanding, and then the Zaino wax on it brought it back pretty good and gave it a deep shine.
How often do you wax it? Have you just done it once?
Usually once a year.
Okay.
Right now I'm looking at the clouds above.
Oh, really? That's cool.
Yeah.
That's cool.
That's amazing.
Looks like a mirror. Do you find it better than McGuire's and all the other waxes?
Yes. Yeah, it seems like it lasts a lot longer and better shine.
Okay. So, are you ready to fork over the keys so we
Yeah.
can drive it around?
There you go. Sounds like a plan.
Thank you so much for the interview. I really enjoyed the car and learning a lot about
Yeah,
it.
thanks.
Thank you.